All right, I'm going to show you how to do an abdominal brace with some heel slides. And so this is a really good exercise as kind of a intermediary. If you're doing any of your abdominal exercises like your dead bugs, for example, but you're keeping your feet in contact with the ground. But then when you try to transition to your legs hovering in the 90-90 position, for example, and it's too difficult. What you'll need for this exercise is some kind of sliding plate or anything that will help decrease the friction of your heels sliding on the ground. If you have hardwood floors, you can just lay down maybe some hand towels or washcloths. You may even be able to do it in your sock. If you're on carpet, you definitely want to have some kind of slider on the carpet so that way you can slide your feet while applying some pressure into the ground. And so we're going to use sliders today. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your heel right onto the slider. You're going to lay down on your back with your knees bent. So in this position, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your center of your back is flat onto the ground. If you're having difficulty completely getting it flat, you may need to have maybe 1 or 2 pillows or even something to support underneath your shoulders to tilt your torso up a little bit to help flatten the back. So that way you can properly engage your core. So once in this position, you're going to brace your core. So you're going to hug that belly towards the spine. Belly button stays relaxed. And you're going to hold that core zipped up. And what you're going to do is you're going to breathe. You can exhale as you're sliding that leg out. And then you're going to maintain the core as you slide your legs back in. And then you can alternate your legs, or you can do one side at a time. But the goal is that you have a little bit of tension to hold the slider in place as you slide the heel out. Your leg lengthens out, your back doesn't arch, and you don't lose your brace. And you slide it back in. So the goal is to make sure that you do not allow those abdominal muscles to bulge out, and you don't extend your leg and have your back just kind of arch off of the ground. So that's going to be our abdominal brace with our heel slide.